Hi there, my name's Sophie from Graham's, and today we're here to do a very special unboxing video of a product that we have been selling for decades and have sold thousands of, which is the Rega Planar 3. And Rega have released a special edition version to celebrate their 50th anniversary. This is something that's come out only extremely recently, and obviously spans from the beginning of their company in 1973 to this year in 2023. So what we're going to do now is unbox it. Immediately notice is that Rega give you a Neo PSU, the Mark II version, and this is hand tuned to every single Planar 3 50th anniversary edition. Obviously that's the same as you will find on the Planar 6 and the Planar 8 with their hand tuned Neo PSUs. You can see what I'm talking about. So So there you've got Rega's very distinctive, quite sort of retro 70s styling, which obviously matches the rest of this turntable extremely well, and falls into line with things like the Illicit, the LX Mark IV, and obviously things like the higher quality or higher performance Isis Osiris system. So moving on from the power supply, I will carefully remove this. So it's their smoked acrylic lid, and emblazoned right there you can see Rega 50, which is a small aluminium plate detail that they have put on both the lid and the main plinth itself, as per their documentation. Then here we have the standard Planar 3 Opti-White glass platter that you get with the normal Planar 3 and this model. Rega have produced a totally unique finish for the Planar 3. So there you go. So we've got it's a really nice wood effect. They've actually recreated the grain really beautifully on this, and it's nicely finished as well. It's very smooth to the touch. At the bottom you can see the little 50th anniversary edition. So you do get Rega's dual brace system to hold the arm and the inner platter as rigid as possible to avoid any unwanted absorption of vibration. And you get the aluminium CNC'd drive pulley for greater accuracy on the speed. The final thing to mention is you do get the reference EBLT belt, which brings this very close to essentially a Planar 6 turntable. So you do get quite a lot. Not everything. The platter itself is different, along with the plinth and the makeup of that. But it is getting on for the quality of a Planar 6. And this is the most important part. This is all coming in at £899. So this is actually only £19 more expensive than a Planar 3 with just the exact cartridge on it. And the uplift you are going to get in performance between a standard Planar 3 and this is going to be quite noticeable. For their 50th anniversary, essentially, Rega are giving us a fantastic bargain, a fantastic deal. The Planar 3 has always represented extremely good value for money, and this 50th anniversary edition will be available until the end of December, and we should have it on display. Just one more aside, somewhat fittingly, as we are one of Rega's earliest dealers, we do actually have here in front of me, this particular one here, serial number 00001. So this one will be staying with us on display. So if you are looking for an upgrade from your existing turntable or are looking to step into vinyl in the first place, then the Planar 3 50th anniversary edition we can't recommend enough. It's fantastic value for money, and it should serve you, as so many Regas have, for decades of good use. Hopefully another 50 years. So please feel free to pop down. Thank you.